Bom dia, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel for the newcomers. My name is Didi Taihudu, and yes, I am the guy that 4 years ago went all into Bitcoin after selling his house with his family, started traveling the world, hodling Bitcoins all over the world, now coming to you guys from Lagos in Portugal. Today I will make a short video. I will try to keep it below 12 minutes as I have a very busy day. So talking about Bitcoin, really cool chart, blockchain, really cool news, and live, a little bit live news. Enjoy today's episode, guys. Bam! Let's get on with it. The first news is the TA part, the part where I bomb you with really cool charts. This is the TA part. Bam! In the TA part, let's start with this chart. This chart is showing you, bam, on this chart you can see a multi-year low for both Ethereum and Bitcoin on exchanges. People are extracting their Bitcoins from exchanges, not hodling on the exchange, but hodling on their hardware wallets like they should do, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. So people learned a lot in the last couple of years, and you can see this. There is not many Bitcoins held on exchanges. We are seeing a multi-year low. The people are trusting Bitcoin and Ethereum to go way higher than this. That is what you read when you see this. People have full trust in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they don't expect us to drop. That is why you withdraw your Bitcoins from the exchange, because you think the next couple of months we see a bull run, and then at the end of this bull run, those same people will be putting back their Bitcoins and Ethereum on the exchanges to sell them for profit. That is a really cool fact and chart. Bam! The reason for this, guys, it is windy, I'm on the beach almost. The reason for this is that the DeFi and the institutional investors, they don't use the exchanges. A lot of people use DeFi to stake their Bitcoins or their wrapped Bitcoins or their Ethereum, and a lot of institutional investors just buy Bitcoins and hodl them on a cold storage wallet like a hardware wallet. You can see this also in the charts, because I just showed you that there was a multi-year low in the hodl part of Bitcoin and Ethereum on the exchanges, but on the other hand, you can see this chart, bam, on this chart you can see a tremendous growth of DeFi. So yes, Ethereum, Bitcoin flowing off the exchanges, flowing into DeFi as wrapped Bitcoin or Ethereum, and people are staking their currencies there to or get a loan or to get rewards for the staking. Really cool news. Bam! And another very cool fact is that yes, we are seeing Google all-time highs in search for Bitcoin, in search for Ethereum, in search on how to buy crypto. Check this chart. Bam! On this chart you can see that we're speaking in Bitcoin searching, in Ethereum searching, and also searching buy crypto. This is huge, because when people are starting to search Google and we see all-time highs in these search results on Google, this means that a lot of people are now searching how to buy. This means they didn't buy yet. They are searching now to buy. And that is what will happen now next. When Bitcoin will go up, FOMO will kick in and people will start to buy. I will put on a face mask, not on my face, but on the camera. Maybe I can prevent the wind a little bit from disturbing this video. But guys, that is a disadvantage on vlogging on the beach. It is a windy, cloudy day again in Lagos. It's like the third day in a row. Please let the sun start shining again. Don't talk so much. You need to make a short video. Bam! I will film a little bit closer. Maybe then like the light becomes better. The next chart I want to share with you guys is the Bam Bam / TikTok chart today. Check this one. It's a combination of both of the indicators. Bam, TikTok, bam. I sound like a magician, don't I? Keep repeating the same joke every day again, Didi. Maybe people will laugh at the end. This chart, you can see the Didi Bam Bam indicator, and on the bottom you can see also the TikTok indicator. I combined those two indicators on this chart so you can see you can also use them together to analyze the chart and to take and make your trades. We traded with $350 with a leverage of 10, and you can see the moments we took the trades. you can see the green arrows giving the indication when we took the trades and when we exited the trades. Check the green arrows down below on the BAM BAM indicator, but also on the TikTok indicator, so you understand why we entered and why we exited those trades. First trade, guys, was a long. It was a long of 2.9% with a leverage of 10, making it 29% profit, turning $350 into $450. The second trade was a very flat short. It was only a short with 1% difference times the leverage of 10 is 11%, so $450 turned into around $500. Then again, the third trade was a long. It was a long of 2.4%, and that's with a leverage of 10, 24%, so we ended up with $620. We started with $350, we ended up with $620, so that was a $250 profit in 3 trades where I combined the indicators of the TikTok and the Didi BAM BAM indicator. If you want to know more about the BAM BAM indicator or the TikTok indicator, please visit didibam.com or didibam.com/TikTok, both with a capital T, .html, or just click down below this video on the link of the indicator that you want to know more of, or just visit the Discord server where we will talk with you about Bitcoin, blockchain and life every day and again, and where a lot of people that signed up to the TikTok and the BAM BAM indicator are daily sharing the results and sharing their experience, so you can ask them before you buy it, because you always need to do your own research. If we want to take a look at the Bitcoin charts, let's take a look at the chart that I've been sharing the last 2 weeks because I find it really important. This one, BAM, the 4-hour chart. Like we said, we would break out of this flag pattern. You can remember this green line going up all the way to 50K. Look what is happening today. We finally broke out, we retested the top line of the flag, and we are going upwards almost in the same direction as this green line. Yes, I posted the green line a little bit too early. It should have been 2 centimeters to the right, but you can see the direction. That is the direction you expect from a breakout out of bullish flag pattern. So really cool. Now let's see how high we can take it. Can we take it all the way up to 40K, 45K, and even 50K? Because that was the length of the bull flag pole, and we should break out with the same length as the pole at the left side on the chart, now upwards. Hopefully we will reach 50K very soon. Really cool number for a lot of memes and all that stuff. 50K BTC. BAM! Guys, it is too windy. I need to walk the other side. It's very windy. Hopefully the sound is a little bit good on this video. And else, okay, I made a not that good video for the first time in like 1 year time. Oh yeah, did I tell you? We already have 1 million views. It was already a few weeks ago. I need to check how many views we have at the moment. Hopefully we have a lot of views. And hopefully this one with the bad sound is not going to disturb the increase of views we see every day. The next part of the video is the news part. The part where I talk about the news that I already read this morning before I brought my big friend. Yeah, he's huge. He's almost 2 meters. Jim, a Dutch guy who I spent 3 months with here in Lagos, Portugal. We met here. We started to hang out. We had a lot of same passions like Bacardi Coke. That was it. And we had a lot of fun. And he left sadly today to Holland because he needs to pick up his job. In the summer, he's running some beach clubs over there in the Dutch beach scene. So, Jim, if you see this video, thanks for all the time we spent together, man. Thanks for all the help. Thanks for all the chats. Thanks for all the drinking nights. Thanks for all the barbecue nights. Thanks for all the Dutch stupid humor that we always have as Dutchies. Thank you for having me as a friend here in Lagos. You will be in my heart for always. I will never forget the time we spent here. And maybe we see each other next time again here in Lagos, Portugal. Bam! And now we can definitely jump into the blockchain news part. This part, bam. The first news of today, Ethereum new all-time high. Yeah, I think 1550 or even 1570 US dollar already for an Ethereum. That is a new all-time high. Like I said a couple of days ago and a week ago, I think we will see 2K Ethereum very soon. That is why I added some Ethereum to my portfolio 2 or 3 days ago when we were still in this dip to 1100 US dollar. And I think we will reach 2K very soon, in my opinion. because it's very bullish news. The DeFi industry is growing. More and more institutional investors also see the power of Ethereum and start to diversify their crypto portfolio from Bitcoin also a little bit into Ethereum. So yes, 2K Ethereum, easy peasy, easy peasy. Bam! By the way, 2.5 million Ethereums are locked up in the DeFi industry. 2.5 million Ethereums already locked up in the DeFi industry. That's a really big number, and I think it's going to grow way more bigger in the next couple of months. Yes, I need to play with the camera because the DJI is a little bit darkish today. I don't know what is wrong with the thing. Come on, man. Stay like light. Bring us the light. In total, guys, the market cap at the moment is 1.09 trillion US dollar, and the Bitcoin dominance is 62%. So a huge $1 trillion market cap, and over the 600 billion US dollar is done by Bitcoin. Is this market cap going to grow? That is your question. Yes, of course. It's going to grow tremendously because MicroStrategy started their Bitcoin bootcamp today, their Bitcoin bootcamp plan giveaway, or whatever you will call it today, and 1,400 CEOs of all big companies all over the world signed up for this MicroStrategy Bitcoin bootcamp. CEOs after today and tomorrow will be educated about Bitcoin and will be thinking about investing a part of their assets of their company, of their reserve assets of their company, into Bitcoin. And then they get a playbook from Michael Saylor, from MicroStrategy, how he did it. And those other CEOs can just copy paste. They can just see what Michael did and then copy his moves and do the same moves and repeat those moves for their company. So yes, I think there will be a huge amount of money flowing into this industry now, because 1,400 companies just do the calculations. If on the 1,400 only 700 think about it, and of those 700 only 350 decide to do it, and of those 350 only 175 in the end really invest, like say 100k or 200k in Bitcoin, then you get the amount of 175 times 200k. Just do the calculations how many millions or billions are going to flow extra into the market because of those two events today and tomorrow. I think it's going to be huge. I think it's going to be MicroStrategy huge. And MicroStrategy huge is they already own 71,000 Bitcoins. They bought those Bitcoins in total for $1 billion US dollar, and those Bitcoins now have a value of 2.5 billion US dollar. So MicroStrategy did good. And I think that this is exactly what all these CEOs will see during this Bitcoin bootcamp that they will be receiving today and tomorrow. Really positive news. Bam! Shit, it could have been a train, you know, I heard something. Well, it was no train, I'm still alive. And let's get a little bit more bullish, because if you want to earn Bitcoins, you go to, not to Ibiza, not we are going to Ibiza, we're going to Miami, because the mayor of Miami, I think his name is Frances Suarez, sounds like a football player, but he's the mayor. Suarez said, the city of Miami, we should be paying salaries to our employees also in Bitcoin. So when Miami is going to pay salaries in Bitcoin, man, that is like huge adoption. This means people will receive Bitcoin for the work they do. And this is a governmental job for the city of Miami. How much more bullish do I need to get? Bam! And then one more short news, because I need to keep it below 12 minutes and I think I'm running out of time. There is this new evolution. I already talked about it a few years ago on one of the television shows, that I said in the future you won't be needing a bank loan to buy a house. And people started laughing at me. Didi, you're a crazy fool. Long-haired dude, go to the beach. And I told them the blockchain and the crypto industry will make it possible that we will surpass the banks when we need a house. We will create something on the blockchain that I say I want to buy this house with 300k, and that then 10 people all over the world say, we would do a microloan to Didi of 30k, 10 times 30k is 300k. I buy the house with those 300k and I pay this monthly rental fee, monthly interest to these people that gave me these microloans. That is what I said, and that is also what I wrote in my book 2 or 3 years ago. And then people were really laughing, and now it's becoming the truth. It was now a guy, and he shared his whole plan that did this. And now this guy used his Bitcoin and his Ethereum to stake them on a DeFi application, and by staking them, he staked around $1 million worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum. He received a loan of $500,000 in dollars, and then he used those $500,000 to pay off his mortgage. So he got rid of the debt at the bank. He's the owner of the house. He needs to pay his debt now to this DeFi platform. I think the interest is about 6%, but because he is staking $1 million worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum, he's also getting rewards. So the interest of 6% is maybe only 3%, and at the end, he's still hodling his Bitcoins. He's monetizing his house by hodling his Bitcoins, paying off the debt of the bank, and now riding this bull run to 100k. Then with the profit he will be making, because Bitcoin goes to 100k, because Ethereum will go to 5k, he will exchange those Bitcoins and Ethereum again to dollars, pay back the loan on the DeFi platform, and step out this game with a house that is mortgage free and with the profits that he made because of the run in Bitcoin Ethereum. This is going to happen more and more and more. Yes, I talk quickly because I want to keep it below 12 minutes. And that was the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed this short video. If you did enjoy the video, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please leave a comment, because I love to respond to your comments. Yes, a lot of energy, because I needed to put some energy into the market, a little bit more, so we can push Bitcoin to 40k, 50k, and 100k. Thanks for watching, guys. Always remember to zoom out in Bitcoin and to zoom in at life. Try to enjoy every single minute of the day, as that is exactly what life should be about. And my DJI should understand that it needs to top up their performance a little bit more light, please. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully see you tomorrow again. Bye.